Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Let's go ahead and get into it. As you know, energy is always fluid. I could be speaking to a masculine, it could be a feminine energy. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed. Okay? All right. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. What y'all got going on? What's going on with the energy? What's happening? What is it that we need to know? What's going on with the collective? Timeout. So there is a timeout here, you guys. I don't know if there's some sort of separation or short break or some sort of breakup or something. Somebody decided they needed time to themselves or something like that. Let's go ahead and take a look at this timeout. See what it's talking about. Timeout speaks of a short-term break in one's relationship. All right, so it could be a relationship or a partnership or something like that where there is a break or some sort of time out, a short-term break. What's going on with this timeout? What's happening? What happened? Clarify this timeout energy, please, Spirit. For the Divine Space family, friends, and collective, what is it that we need to know in regards to this timeout energy? All right. At the bottom of the deck is coming out as him. So strong masculine energy is definitely here in regards to some sort of situation. So we could be speaking about a masculine, or it could be in reference to a masculine energy. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed. But the first card that definitely came out is vacation. Okay, so I feel like this is right up the alley of, wanting some sort of break, wanting some sort of time out or something like that. Clarifying this, it seems like somebody needs some time apart, a break. But I'm also showing in the present energy, I'm seeing an energy of unconditional love here. So it seems like even though someone is asking for some sort of short-term break or some sort of time out or something like that, I'm still seeing that there is love here. But I'm also showing like it's heading towards boundaries, someone possibly not respecting your boundaries or um not adhering to some sort of boundaries or something like that. Or maybe somebody may not have any boundaries being set. But as I stated before, is definitely spirit is referencing, hinting towards him, a masculine energy in regards to the situation. Let's go ahead and clarify it a little bit further. I don't think I showed you the cards. Okay. So we have vacation. I love to give y'all like picture reference and things like that. Unconditional love. And I'm seeing boundaries, no boundaries. Okay. Let's go ahead and clarify this vacation. Clarify vacation. What's going on with this vacation, please, Spirit? What is it that we need to know in regards to this time out? I'm seeing distance. This could even talk about somebody taking some sort of vacation by themselves. Or someone, whoever you're connected to, may not know that you're taking a vacation or going out of town and things like that. Somebody's out here living like they single or something. Like, I still got love for you, but they're not acting like it. They're not treating you like it. So clarifying this vacation, I'm definitely seeing a retreat, a timeout, or distance being placed between you and someone else. Somebody is taking a vacation. Okay, this could be, like I said, a break, a vacation, going out of state, going out of town, or just simply having time apart. Clarify this unconditional love. Clarifying unconditional love, I'm seeing karma, balance, and justice. So it seems like there's an energy of things coming into balance or to balance something out. What is this? I've seen it looks like this is definitely some sort of karmic event though, but with this justice card, it lets me know that things work out in your favor. To balance out a situation is what I'm seeing here. Something is going on. Let me grab one more. Clarify this unconditional love. Unconditional love. Okay, wait a minute. What's happening? I seen empowerment. I seen strength in the sun as well. I put it back in to see if it was going to come back out. It came back out. So clarifying this unconditional love and this retreat or, this distance being placed, it seems like it comes with strength or empowerment. It's like a period of time where somebody is going within. There's a within type of situation. What's going on with these boundaries though? Clarify boundaries. What's happening? Now clarifying these no boundaries. I'm seeing like there is clarify no boundaries. One more. Clarify no boundaries or someone not having boundaries or something like that. It looked like there is some sort of wish fulfillment, you guys, tied to boundaries or someone not having boundaries. But I'm seeing like divine timing is here. Something is happening at divine timing, especially when it comes to someone not having boundaries or not maintaining some sort of boundaries. This could also have ties to someone not respecting someone else's boundaries or something. But it seems like with this wish fulfillment, it seems like, I don't know, maybe there could have been some sort of prayer or something that you may have been wanting. It seems like something is happening here. And spirit needs for you to trust the process because there's something happening in divine timing. Let me see. Let's look a little bit further. Clarify timeout. What's happening? Timeout. 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 What's happening with the collective regarding timeout? I'm seeing wounded warrior energy out here. It seems like there has been some sort of ongoing battle. I feel like somebody has learned some sort of lesson or learning some sort of lesson. I'm seeing an energy you gathering your strength. That's what I'm seeing here. It seems like you may have been in some sort of draining situation. Maybe you felt like somebody was draining your energy and you just needed a break. This energy that is coupled here with the devil. So the Nine of Wands and the devil was out here. So it seems like you were connected to or tied to someone that was very toxic. There's an energy of bondage here as well. Okay. So I'm seeing like what this person is. I feel like they like to keep multiple people around or something like that. I feel like this person may have an issue with ego and secrecy and things like that. All right. Time out. And judgment being called on a situation. All right. It seems, yeah, judgment has been called on this whole situation. I feel like there's an energy of this person possibly like to do a blame game type of situation. That's what I'm seeing here. All right. And I feel like this person at one point in time made you feel left out. Hmm. I'm also seeing you're in this energy of protecting your energy, okay? Because I feel like this person may have put you in a situation of sadness one too many times. All right. I'm also seeing with you standing in your power and protecting your energy, protecting yourself, coming out as the wounded warrior. I'm seeing this person in this energy of having to admit or surrender to some sort of loss. I'm seeing an energy of this person feeling unwelcome or being unwelcomed. Okay. Like you cutting off. There's energy of you withdrawing your energy and focusing on yourself. Yeah, I'm seeing almost like an energy of getting this person out of your energy because I'm seeing that there's this person comes with a lot of negative emotions. We have the Ace of Swords out here with you obtaining, or yeah, it's like an energy of you gaining a whole lot of clarity. It's what I'm seeing here, especially in regards to this person's toxic ways. This is also confirmation, especially when it comes to the type of person that they are. All right. Yeah. This person has a lot of secrets or held a lot of secrets. I'm seeing with this moon card, you gaining clarity, especially when it comes to things that are hidden with the moon here. So it seems like illusion, secrecy, deception. Um, that's what it seems like. I feel like a lot of this is like you're receiving a lot of this information possibly through your intuition. Because this person, I'm feeling like there's a sense of vagueness here. Okay, this person is very vague when communicating or talking about something. I'm definitely seeing that there has been some sort of instability with this individual as well. Air sign could be significant, masculine or feminine energy with this Queen of Swords. All right. But I am seeing you guys being moved or you're moving or something like that. The calmer waters with the Six of Wands. I'm seeing somebody possibly focusing on possibly employment or stability or your security or something like that. I'm also seeing an energy of you being very patient or have been very patient with whoever this person is. Okay. Yeah, I'm seeing like you're building something. What's going on with this timeout? I'm seeing like some sort of wishes here. I don't know. May have been some sort of manifestation or something like that. I'm definitely seeing some sort of wishes here, wish fulfillment. I'm seeing you guys receive some sort of good news. I don't know. I'm also seeing an increase of you guys' income. Yeah, there's an increase in income for you guys as well with the Six of Wands. I'm seeing you like overcoming some sort of that's overcoming this situation. That's why Spirit wants you to trust the process. Things are happening or operating in divine timing when it comes to this individual, whether it's a masculine or a feminine energy, because it could be a feminine and a masculine energy. Okay, I'm seeing you coming out on top regardless. And as I stated in regards to like a increase in income, we have the Ace of Pentacles out here. So this is definitely talk about a new beginning of finances as well. I'm seeing you celebrating. There's some sort of celebratory energy out here. I don't know if there's some sort of award or being rewarded or something like that. I don't know if there has been some sort of graduation. I'm seeing some sort of festivities or something like that. And somebody wants to come and argue. Maybe you have an event or something and this person feels some type of way because you didn't invite them or something like that. Okay, because I see this person coming to communicate with you face to face, but I'm seeing them having some sort of argument. I'm seeing a disagreement. Okay, I'm seeing this individual having some sort of feeling. I'm seeing an energy of them again, like aggression. Aggression might be significant as well because they want to keep control or control the situation or make this whole situation about them. Because I'm seeing this person is very controlling and very possessive. All right, but I'm also seeing an energy of juggling. Maybe whoever this person is, one minute they know what they want, next minute they don't. Maybe it's like an energy of, because I feel like this might be like some sort of emotional imbalance or something like that. Okay, yeah, because I'm definitely seeing an energy of trust issues. There's an imbalance. There's some sort of disconnect, and I feel like this person lacks accountability as well, which causes you to detach from whoever this person is and just follow your intuition. As the high priestess is what I'm seeing. Anything else for timeout? Okay, I'm also seeing that there's a water sign out here, you guys. Water signs can definitely be significant. You guys can very much be a Cancer as well. Okay, I'm also seeing here that there may be someone here in this person energy. They may have water in their chart. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, place it whatever way it needs to be placed. So it could be you, like I said it before, but I am definitely seeing a positive side of things for you guys. Even after this time out, it seems like things start working for you, working out for you in the midst of some sort of timeout or separation from whoever this person is. I feel like they may have been causing some sort of blockages. Look, we have the Nine of Cups out here. There's an energy of wish fulfillment. There's an energy of happiness and joy. All right. I'm seeing a lot of things. I'm seeing a lot of success. I'm seeing that there is some sort of achievement here. You're coming out as the star. So it looks like you're gaining a whole lot of attention as well, or getting a lot of attention. Number 17 could be significant. I'm seeing somebody approaching you. What is this? What's going on with this timeout? What do we need to know in regards to this Knight of Cups? You got somebody approaching you. Somebody is extending some sort of romantic offer, possibly wanting to date you. I definitely see you independent. I see you single. I see you separate from whoever this person is, but I'm seeing you in this energy of success and independence, stability, abundance. All right. I'm seeing an energy of you guys persevering. All right. There's an energy of perseverance here. All right. What is this? You also have somebody here from the person from your past that you had a timeout with or wanted to time out from you. This person is coming out as a stalemate. It's almost like an energy of them feeling like they had to make it's like them it's like this is an energy of them feeling like they're at some sort of crossroad. Having to feel like they need to make some sort of painful choice between you and someone else that they have been dealing with or they are dealing with. This person is definitely very childish, but again, it's coming out as someone from your past. Scorpio could be significant. Spirit is saying this person is very selfish. I want to say ruthless. This person do things premeditated. They plan it before they do it. Very devious individual. They don't tell the truth. They're very manipulative. Okay, especially when it comes to the wheel turning in your favor. I feel like this person is acting this way because they see things working out in your favor. And I feel like this person is in this energy of having to lay in the bed that they have made. They're in this Nine of Swords because of the Seven of Swords, because of deceit, lies, trickery, dishonesty, the secrets and things like that. It's coming back to haunt them. Okay. Someone making a just imagine them making some sort of choice like, hey, I no longer want to be with you. I feel like we need to sever ties. I feel like we need to separate. Whole time as y'all separated, things going up and up for you, and now they feeling some type of way because they like, ah, dang, I separate from them and things are working out good for them. They might not even want to deal with me again or deal with my bullshit again. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Hopefully you do. You guys don't. Shoot, not my collective. Yeah, they over here and you over here in this energy of happiness. Hmm. Yeah, this masculine, clarifying this Nine of Swords is the day home emperor. It's a masculine energy. This could possibly be like a father or something like that, an older masculine, a husband or something like that. Yeah, they're in the Nine of Swords. I'm also seeing you receiving some sort of new beginning, you guys. Excuse me. So not only am I seeing some a masculine and a Nine of Swords, I'm also seeing like you guys receiving some sort of new beginning, possibly from a masculine or a masculine obtaining some sort of new beginning, a new relationship, a new romance. Okay, because I'm seeing the Ten of Cups out here. This is talking about marriage, happiness, stability, security. And we got the Four of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, and we got the Chariot. So not only, like I stated, not only if I'm seeing someone in the Nine of Swords, regret, remorse, anxiety, I'm also seeing an Emperor energy that is extending some sort of offer, or Emperor that's obtaining some sort of offer from someone. Okay, I'm seeing an energy of victory, overcoming obstacles, success, abundance, someone that's self-disciplined. I see you guys moving on. I'm seeing you obtaining unexpected finances. I'm seeing windfall of money, and it's coming in quickly. With this Eight of Wands, it's definitely speaking of things coming in at a haste, quickly. Anything else? Oh, all right. So I'm definitely seeing the Empress energy out here. Okay, what's going on with this Empress energy? I'm seeing, I feel like somebody is definitely reaching out to the Empress energy impulsively. I feel like this person is being foolish. This is energy of them being afraid of the unknown. Okay, this is the energy of them banking on you being naive and inexperienced. This person sees you as some sort of someone, I was going to say some fool or something, like trying to blindside you. It's like this is the energy of this person watching you. Okay, they're keeping an eye on you. They also looking at something that you're doing. I don't know if you guys are doing something creatively online or something like that. You don't necessarily have to, but it seems like this is the energy of them simply watching you. I feel like they be watching you online or something like that. I feel like whoever this person is, maybe even giving you guys the evil eye. I am seeing the Tower card out here, so it speaks of unexpected events happening. So whatever's happening, this person is definitely not expecting you to stand in your power. Look, karmic justice is definitely at play with this Justice card out here. Yeah, there's definitely an energy of you guys being grounded or being connected to a grounded individual. This energy, this mask is coming out as a mature masculine energy, or it could be a feminine energy, but I am definitely seeing this as like a businessman, businesswoman, someone that's successful. Possibly, I'm seeing like a thriving business or having some sort of high status being, and I see you guys partnering up with this individual. I'm seeing it growing into something like you guys becoming a couple or some sort of relationship, and this person giving to you guys. With the Six of Pentacles, I'm seeing you guys obtaining gifts. All right, I'm seeing money, donations. All right, I'm seeing you obtaining spiritual insight. I'm seeing soul searching. Okay. Yeah, I'm seeing spiritual insight, some sort of spiritual insight, self-reflection. Okay, so this person, this King of Pentacles is coming out as the Hermit. Okay. This is also talking about you going through some sort of spiritual insight, and you have been you placed yourself in solitude, possibly gone into hermit after. Yeah, because you broke up with this person, whoever this energy is. That timeout turned into a breakup. Ain't no timeout, so you can do whatever you want to do. I don't trust this person. I'm also seeing them in regret, and you refusing the offer or whatever opportunity they're trying to extend to you because you view things from a different perspective. It's like you putting two and two together and find out that you're backstabbing me. This is you betrayed me. Okay. I'm seeing an energy of you I'm seeing exhaustion. You being exhausted, and them trying to apologize. Look, my nose is itching. Them wanting to apologize, or they want you to take some sort of apology, take their apology. And I'm seeing them being burdened. This energy is feeling overburdened because of the choice that you made or the decision that you made to leave them alone and leave them behind. They're losing sleep. Yeah, they're losing sleep with the Four of Swords because you have your boundaries up. You're standing your ground and closed out the cycle completely. They didn't expect that. They thought you was naive. They thought you was green. They thought they could play you. They thought that you could continue to get away with things. They didn't know that you was very spiritual. They didn't know you was very wise. It's just all it was is that you loved them unconditionally. I thought y'all had an unconditional loving connection. No, it was you loving them. They wasn't loving you like you were loving them. That's what I'm saying here. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love